it's Miss Sarika, and I'm coming at you with another video. In this video, we are working in the 8th grade packet on the worksheet titled Solving Systems of Equations, Whack-A-Mole. In this worksheet, we are working on a new concept, and I know that's always exciting, and you wish you were in class learning it, but you will be learning it through this video. So, solving a system of equations sounds really difficult and scary, but it's not. All you have to do is you have to graph both equations, y equals x and y equals negative x minus 2. And that was Bunny sneezing. All you need to do is, sorry, she's moving a lot. All you need to do is find their intersection point. And their intersection point is where the two lines meet. We know how to graph. We know how to graph when an equation is in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And in this case, they are in slope-intercept form. So we should know how to graph both of these equations and just find where they intersect. And the intersection point is the solution to our system. We will go into greater detail when we are back in the classroom on how this is practical and important. But so let's get started. Let's graph the first equation. And I'm going to use two different colors for graphing of the equation so you guys can see where they intersect. As well, I'm sure you noticed the little happy mole people, little moles, like little hamster-looking creatures. They are actually at our intersection points. Will you hold on one second? I am just going to let Bunny outside. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm going to graph y equals x. And you might say, I don't know how to graph y equals x, but you do. When it's y equals x, that means there is no y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0. And what is the y-intercept again? The y-intercept is when the line crosses the y-axis. So it crosses the y-axis at 0. So I'm going to put a point right here, 0, 0. And then we're looking for our slope, which is m. And I only see an x, so our m must be 1. I mean, you're probably shouting it out. Of course you knew that. So then the slope is 1, which means it's rise over run, y over x. So I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And then I go down 1, so I can continue my line. And so I've graphed the first slope. Ta-da! And as you can see, it hit two of the little mole creatures, the little hamster-like creatures. So I'm going to graph my second equation. And the point where the two equations that I've graphed meet is the solution to our system. Super duper simple. I am going to use black for the second equation. Negative 2 is our b, or our y-intercept. So that means it crosses the y-axis at negative 2. So you're going to put a point at negative 2. And my slope, it's just negative x. What the heck is my slope? Oh, of course, my slope is negative 1 because that is the m, negative 1. So I go, and it's rise over run. So if it's negative 1, I go down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. Continue the line over here. And I'm going to connect my points, and oh my goodness, there was an intersection point at negative 1, negative 1. So where the two equations that I graphed intersected is the solution to our system. At negative 1, negative 1. So it hit the little hamster creature at negative 1, negative 1. I'm just going to solve one of the equations right now. I'm going to put up another video today, probably a little bit later today, solving another system by graphing. As well as I'm going to show you a second way how to solve systems of equations, but not by graphing, but by substitution. So please look out for that. And in the next coming days, I'm going to really show you the importance and practicality of solving systems and how it relates to your life. Because I'm sure while you're watching this, you're like, this doesn't relate to my life. But let me tell you, it does. So please comment below with any questions, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.